Hello friends. Today's Viva topic is inheritance in a Java. Inheritance in a Java is a mechanism in which one object is acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object, and it is the important part of the object-oriented programming system. The idea behind to inheritance in Java is that you can create a new class that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from the existing class, then you can reuse the methods and fields of the parent class. And also inheritance, it is the represent the is a relationship which is also known as parent child relationship. And inheritance is mostly used for the method overriding. And method overriding, it is a runtime polymorphism can be achieved. And the second one is a and second most important thing is a code reusability. So in inheritance, uh, now we can see the what terms are used in the inheritance. First one is a class. Class is a group of objects of which have common properties, and it is a blueprint from which objects are created. Then next one is a subclass. Also it is called as child class. And subclass is a class which is inherit the other class, and it is also called as derived class, extended class, or child class. Then next one is a super class. Class is also known as parent class. And super class is the class from where subclass inherits the features. And it is also called as a base class or a parent class. Then next one is a reusability. Reusability, it is the mechanism which is facilitates that we can reuse the fields and methods of the existing class when you create a new class, and which we can use the same methods and fields that is already defined in the previous class. And then now we can see the syntax of the inheritance. Class, subclass, then extends superclass name. And within a open and close curly brackets, methods and fields. The extend keywords, it is indicates that you are making a new class, and that derives from an existing class. The meaning of the extend, it is the increase the functionality. Then class which is a inherited, it is called as a parent or superclass. And new class is called as child or subclass. For example, programmer is the subclass, and employee is the superclass. Then the relationship between the these two classes is programmer is a employee. That means programmer, it is the type of the employee. Now we can see the types of inheritance. In a Java, there can be mainly three types that are used. First one is a single inheritance, second one is a multi-level inheritance, and third one is a hierarchical inheritance. The multiple and hybrid inheritance is not supported through interface only. Multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. Then multiple inheritance, it is not supported in a Java through the class. uh, the one class inherits from the multiple classes. It is known as multiple inheritance, and single multiple inheritance. The multiple inheritance is not supported in a Java because of to reduce the complexity and simplify the language. That's why multiple inheritance is not supported in a Java. Suppose A, B and C are three class. The C class is inherits the A and B classes. If A and B class have the same method and fields, that we can we can call it from the child class object. There will be create the ambiguity to call a method of A or B class. Then it gives the compile time errors at are better than the runtime errors. Then Java renders the compile time error. Then if we inherit the to classes, uh, so where whether you have the same method or different, there will be the compile time error. It's all about the information of the inheritance in a Java. Thank you so much.